Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for watching this video. As we are just getting started with this channel, just it's picking up pace, before we start, watching too many videos of me ride, I just wanted to make sure you guys know what I'm riding. So today we're just taking a quick peek at my Devinci Spartan. So I've only had this bike for about a year, and it's been the best bike ever. I love it. It's a 170/165 travel bike. We got Fox 36 factory fork and a DPX2 factory rear shock. The Kashima feels amazing. Both shocks have felt amazing. I've recently serviced and rebuilt both shocks, and they felt great. Tires, in the back we're running a double down Agresor. I did run double down just because I want that extra protection with the thicker casing, and then in the front we're running a DHR II. That's been amazing, just keeping my front wheel in front of me and not out to the side. For dropper post we have a Fox Transfer 170. Honestly, the more travel you have in a dropper, the better, because then you can put your seat post all the way down, and then when you have that dropper post down, it's completely out of your way, and then boop, right back up with a Wolftooth Componets lever. Love that lever. It's got grips on it to kind of help your finger not slide around. One of my favorite parts of the bike are the brakes. Shimano Saint quad piston brakes with Ice Tech rotors. They have been hands down amazing. They never fade. They don't seem to heat up and lose power. They're just super powerful. They feel amazing. I love them. Shifting, we have Shimano XTR with a Sunrace 50 tooth cassette. It is so nice. If you ever have the chance between 46, 42, or 50, always go 50. You can climb just so slow, but it's just always nice to have that range. For pedals, I'm running the Crank Bros Stamp 2 pedals. I'm running them in a size large, even though I might not have the biggest feet. Always run pedals in a size large if you have flats. That way you always are in that grippy spot, even if you slightly misplace your foot and then all of a sudden you're going off a jump, your foot will still stay planted on the pedal. For hubs, I have Chris King hubs. No complaints at all. I mean, you can't say too much about a hub, but it hasn't exploded yet, and it's been holding the rim together, so that's all I care about. The frame is a 2015 Devinci Spartan frame. It's a 165 travel frame. It does have the split pivot adjustable geometry with just the flip of a little metal insert there that you can, that the bolt goes into for the shock. You just flip it and bam, your bottom bracket height goes down a little bit, and your seat tube angle and your head tube angle go down a little bit. I'm actually running it in the high setting just because I don't need that extra little bit, and it just helps with the climbing. So that's always nice for me. For the rest of the bike, we have carbon bars, FSA headset, carbon SRAM cranks, and yeah, that's my bike. Check the link for all the little details and descriptions about the bike. Now at least you guys know, when you see the POV behind the bars, you know what bike I'm on, what travel I'm running, and you'll know all the specs of my bike. I'm going to take it for a little spin, just get some outside clips, because I don't usually get to get any good outside clips, because I'm just trying to ride and just trying to film with the GoPro, so not too often I get outside clips, so I'm going to go do that. Thanks for watching, guys, and please subscribe and like this video. We'll see you next time.